The way we learned in the previous lesson to play over altered sounds, the first one was to play a major seventh arpeggio half step above an altered chord. So we played here. I'm playing G and playing A flat over it. A flat major seventh arpeggio. As we saw in the previous lesson, this came from the harmonic minor scale. It's the flat 6th degree of the harmonic minor. But anyway, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna alter this one that is half a step above the altered chord, doing the following thing. We're gonna lower the third of this major seventh arpeggio a half step. So now it became a minor major seventh arpeggio. So when you have an altered sound, you play a minor major arpeggio half step above the altered chord. This first chord is a C major 9 chord that I'm adding a fifth with my thumb here, and I'm folding my third finger here and another fifth on the top. So and then I'm doing this kind of G minor 11 chord. But there's a different thing I'm doing here. I'm plucking the harmonic here, B flat on the third string, and then the note A, and I'm doing a pull off to G. So this effect here. Actually, I'm doing, when I'm going up, I go hammer on from G to A. So I have this preparation, resolution, motion, using the arpeggio of the fourth step of the scale and the one. So so I have this resolution and preparation thing here. So if I play this, the fourth step arpeggio over the 2 and the 5, I have 2 little rules. It's not a rule, a suggestion in music. No rules in music. So if I have a minor chord, I play the major 7th arpeggio a minor third above. This can be a little complicated. I don't know, the way you find the easiest way to see these things, because after all we only play what is integrated into our technique. So we have to find chord that has that note as its top note. One note that is very important is the third. This song, for instance, it's like, I'll start from the third, another third, from the third, another third, then the third and the fifth, go back to third. So we have many chords that has the third on the top, like the first, the E flat major 7th, the C minor, the G minor, the E flat, and the A flat. So the first thing that we do as chord substitution, or it's related to your vocabulary of chords. How many major seventh chords you know with the third on the top? So that's the question for chord melody, because you're gonna have to choose one of those. For instance, like it could be. Sometimes I do one way or another in the arrangement. So all those are possibilities of harmonizing the. One important thing to mention is that originally this tune doesn't start with this 2/5 of the third degree here. There are some recordings, I remember, maybe, if I'm not wrong, Ray Charles recording, they start with this auxiliary diminished chord on the first degree. Just to mention, I think it's important to mention that F harmonic major scale. The harmonic major scale would be an F scale. Instead of playing the sixth, you're gonna play the flat sixth. See? So I have this. And towards the end here, I played a flat 9 also. This one is nice because you can play over both major into 5/1 once again. You could play. See? It prepares very smoothly for. And the good news again is that it also works for the minor 2/5/1 as well.